Dear students, in the last class we have solved these story sums. Today we will start exercise 2.10. Here the question is given 257 plus 368. Here first we have to form the story sum. After that we will solve that story sum. First I am solving sum number A. Here I have made a story sum. You can make your own story sum. The question: I want to buy a storybook for rupees 257 and a pen for rupees 368. What is the total amount of money I need? And remember one thing, when you are forming a question, at the last line when you are writing what is the total amount of money I need, after that must give the question mark. Next, solve the sum. When you are solving any story sum, first you have to write down the statements. First write down the statements. So from the question, first write down, I want to buy a storybook for rupees 257 and a pen for rupees 368. Therefore, total amount of money I need. When you are finding the total amount of money, that means you have to add these two numbers. 257 plus 368. 8 plus 7, 15. Write down 5 here and 1 in tens place. Then add the tens place digits. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Write down 2 in tens place and 1 in hundred place. Next add the hundred place digits. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So next write down the answer. I need rupees 625. Next question, question number B. 123 plus 456. The question is, in a garden there are 123 apple tree and 456 orange tree. How many trees are there in the garden? How many trees are there in the garden means you have to add the numbers, and your question is also in addition. So now solve the question. First write a statement. There are 123 apple tree and 456 orange tree. Therefore, total number of trees in the garden, then add the numbers. First write the place value chart. Six plus 3, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So write down the answer. There are 579 trees in the garden. Next sum number D. 275 plus 155. Now you can make the question. In a school there are 275 boys and 155 girls. How many children study in the school? How many children study in the school means you have to add a number of boys and number of girls, and your question is also in addition. So your question formation is right. Next, solve this question. So there are 275 boys and 155 girls. Therefore, total number of children study in the school. Now, write down the place value chart. Then write down the numbers. Five plus 5, 10. Write down 0 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Next, add the tens place digits. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Write down 3 in tens place and 1 in hundred place. Next, add the hundred place digits. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 430. So next, write down the answer. 430 children study in the school. Here I have formed 3 questions. You try to form your own question.